Yo, sob, what's up? Ya, sob, balik lagi sama saya Agung. Oke, sob, saya ini tadi jam 4 barusan live ini. Terus saya penasaran ini Pak, nggak bisa tidur gitu. Penasaran. Soalnya zusman itu ketangkep Pak. Terus saya penasaran gitu, nggak bisa tidur Pak. Jadi langsung tak lanjut lagi aja Pak. Si zusman ini nasibnya gimana Pak? Itu teman baik kita. Saya kok jadi kepikiran padahal cuman game Pak. Oke. Ini kayaknya ini misi terakhir kah? Oh, kayaknya ini misi terakhir Pak. Derin ini. Oke. Halo Mardo. Dodo. Kayaknya ini misi terakhir ini. Oke, langsung aja Pak. Sebentar. Oke, langsung aja Pak. Kita gas aja Pak. Kita lanjut. Soalnya saya penasaran itu si zusman itu. Saya Tio Bang. Oh alah, Mas Tio toh. Akunnya baru Mas. Kok ganti? Oke, langsung aja kita lanjut Pak. Namanya keliru, Mardo Dodo. Keliru gimana Mas? Dulu perasaan namanya nggak itu. Kok ganti nama apa gimana? Oke, langsung aja Pak, kita lanjut. Saya penasaran Pak, itu kemarin itu siapa itu? Zusman itu ketangkep Pak. Saya nggak bisa tidur Pak, asli.
March 1945.
Okay.
With the 9th Armored and the 99th, our mission is to take the bridge of Remagen. We get across, the last German resistance will crumble.
Oh, oke. Nah, saya juga bingung sih kemarin closingnya itu yang kemarin itu dia kayak pulang gitu. Apa itu? Bentar. Enggak. Kayak pulang gitu tapi kayak ngimpi gitu, tapi kok nggak ngimpi, saya juga bingung itu. Pas ya udah langsung aja ya, kita gas aja Pak. Recruit Pak. Loh kan? Jangan-jangan ini pulang.
I want nothing more than to be with Hazel when our baby arrives. But I gotta convince Pearson to let me back in the fight. I'm doing it to find Zus, cause he'd do the same for me. If I don't make it home, well, just watch over him, Paul.
Oke. Oh, jadi kita nyari zusman ini. Oh, sehat Mas Tio. Gimana Mas Tio, sehat? Oke. Lo kan?
What's it look like?
Oh.
Hey, I wouldn't go in there.
Oh, berarti dia kemarin udah balik ke rumah terus balik lagi ke sini ke camp. Dia pengen nyampetin zusman, Pak.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Okay.
I'm not giving up on Zusman.
Tell it to the chaplain, because I got no room for a second. Who can't follow orders?
You weren't following orders when you refused to abandon those boys at Kasserine.
Mas Tio sehat? Udah lama ini gak kelihatan di live stream saya.
You heard me.
You better leave while you can still walk.
Davis told me it wasn't your fault. You were only trying to do right by your platoon.
Okay.
Get out! Get out!
I'm not going anywhere.
I said get out! God damn it!
Loh, kamu sih ngantem kok, ngantem itu. Nyalain kita, Pak. God damn it katanya. Kita gak ikut-ikut.
My orders were to fall back. But I just couldn't leave them. I told my men we were gonna hold this pass until reinforcements got here.
Oke.
They never came.
Jadi ada kesalahpahaman ya kayaknya.
They never came. So I guess you're right.
So.
I did get my men killed. Now go.
Not without my platoon.
Gak bisa, Pak.
You got some guts, don't you? Try getting the job done day in and day out while your men are dying all around you.
Ini dia kembali gara-gara
Turner would have never given up like this.
It's dead.
Then make that mean something. No sacrifice too great.
You don't know anything about sacrifice.
How about this?
Oke.
Honorable discharge papers signed by Davis. My ticket home. I could have had everything. A hero's welcome, my girl in my arms. Hell, even a Bronze Star.
Oke.
But I got one last mission.
You must be crazy.
Crazy ain't that half.
Asli, kayaknya ini dia sudah dikirim pulang sih, cuman dia nggak mau gitu. Dia pengen menyelamatkan Zusman, Pak.
Sergeant,
I said fall in, goddammit. If you want in, now's the time. Get the fuck out of my way.
Aduh.
I guess the gang's all here.
not all of us.
Saya sehat,
Let's
alhamdulillah,
take
Mas.
that bridge and find our boy.
Yes, Corporal.
Habis ganti nama tak, Mas Tio?
If Zussman's alive,
Oh.
he's across that bridge.
Oh, Zusman
We
masih
just gotta
hidup.
take it first.
Oke.
All right, there she is, the last bridge over the Rhine.
We
Ini
get this
berarti misi
convoy
menyelamatkan
across, we're in the
Zusman.
heartland. We'll bust them open.
Look, it's all or nothing. It's all been leading to this.
Kuat.
Hold on!
Tuh. Ah. Oke. Bagus, Pak.
All right, on me, come on! We gotta secure the bridge entrance!
Yes, Sergeant.
Toko utamanya ini sebenarnya cuma 4 ya. 4 apa 5 gitu.
Don't make me regret giving you a second chance.
You know I won't. Let's move.
Oke. Let's move, baby. Oh, kita ngapain nih?
Provide cover while we push to the bridge. Let's move.
Oke. Oh, asup the bridge. Oke, kita perang di bridge, di jembatan. Oh, hoi. Hei, jangan lari. Saya nggak akan ragu-ragu. Saya tidak akan ragu-ragu. Buaya, Pak. Kemana, Pak? Oh, ke situ. What? Masa? Abang kok belum subscribe siapa, Mas? Mas duduk. Udah buat channel lah, Mas. Aduh, mati lagi, Pak. Bayar. Loh, kok kena lagi, Pak? Kayaknya kita dari sini aja.
Keep the pressure on.
Loh, masih kena, Pak. Loh, edan, itu tembakan dari mana itu? Saya bingung itu dia tembakannya dari mana itu.
Keep the pressure on.
Caranya gimana, Pak? Oh, nggak bisa ke sini, Pak. Oke. Meninggal lagi. Coba saya kasih ya. Aduh. Oke, nice. Kita langsung lari ke sini aja, Pak.
Throwing out a grenade!
Saya nggak granat siapa, Pak?
I need suppressing fire!
Oke, nice. Siapa sih? Lewat-lewat. Aduh, ini perangnya. Ngeri, Pak. Oh, sorry, person. Kayak ada yang lewat-lewat gitu, Pak. Waduh, saya ngulang lagi, Pak.
Grenade!
Oke, nice. Oke, nice. Escasio. Aduh. Oke, nice. Aduh. Sebentar.
Keep the pressure on!
Tutup pintu, Pak. Gak enak, kayak ada apa gitu. Jalan-jalan. Saya lupa pintunya nggak ada kunci. Oke. Banyak bom, Pak. Oke, nice. Kita kayak dibom tapi yang ngebom siapa ya kurang tahu. Oke. Ya ampun. Oh, kita ditabrak tank, Pak. Kampret lah. Ini tank yang ini teman, tank yang musuh mana nggak tahu, Pak. Oke.
Throwing a grenade!
Oke. Nice. Oke, saya lari, Pak. Bentar. Di sini aman kayaknya. Oke, nice. Secure tower. Oke, Pak. Bakar, Pak. Oke. Sebentar. Saya nyari apa ada. Nggak ada apa-apa ya, Pak ya. Barangkali ada. Oh, kan ada kan. Soalnya ini kayak kan ada ini juga. Soalnya kita itu kayak dibuat tegang gitu terus sampai lupa mau ambil apa-apa gitu sampai.
I got your back. Clear the top floor.
Oke, siapa? Kita bom. Loh. Saya.
We're all clear.
Tapi saya ngebom kena teman saya, Pak. Pikirin, Pak. Nggak apa-apa. Terus F to swipe to girl. Oh, enggak. Nggak ada apa-apa ini di sini. Ini apa, Pak? Bukan apa-apa itu kayaknya. Terus kita ngapain? Oh, kita suruh megang ini. bisa pak. Caranya gimana pak? Kita turun lagi kah? Nggak bisa. Ini nggak bisa diganti. Coba ya F ya. Lo kan ganti ini. Ah, kita ke bawah aja kayaknya, ke bawah. Aduh, saya kecepet. Oke, kita ke bawah.
Buat, on me. We're heading onto the bridge.
Oke, sebentar pak. F. Americana. Suara apa itu? Sebentar. Nggak ada item ya? Ya udahlah, nggak ada apa-apa. Ayo.
Krauts are gonna blow the bridge. We gotta stop them. Styles, what do you got?
They're rolling out everything. Just buy some time. We'll handle the charges.
All right, I'll lead the way while Daniels and Styles cover the engineers. Ready? Come on, let's go.
Sebentar pak.
You two, defuse the charges below the main structure.
Krauts are falling back. Stay low and keep sharp.
Stay low and keep sharp. Waduh. Jembatannya mau roboh ini pak.
Up ahead, on your shot, Daniels.
Terus gimana pak? Kita
Open
suruh.
up!
Oke. Mana? Awas pak.
I'll defuse this one.
Ayo. Tuh. Ya apa sih tembak ini? Gak sakit belas pak tembak ini pak. Oke, apa itu pak? Pak. Aduh, saya mau lari loh, gak bisa pak.
Who's still with me?
Oke, pak, saya masih pak. Masih pak, tenang pak. Lari pak.
Get up! Keep moving!
Oke,
We
siap.
still got a job to do! Enemy
siap.
spotted!
Mana pak?
Listen.
Do good!
Awas. Kata saya kan sudah bilang pak.
Near the
Awas.
barrels.
Oke. Awasan person. Oke.
Daniel, you get up the artillery. Zero
Oke.
in.
Sebentar pak. Saya nggak bisa darah pak. Aduh, koyo reload barang. Malah ini reload juga.
Hey Daniel, get off the grenade.
Oke, nice. Oke, nice. Oh, sakit pak itu pak. Oke, awas pak.
Grenade out!
Oke, nice. Oh, kayak ya. Oke.
Lob a grenade!
Oke, sebentar, Pak. Loh, kok tak pakai lagi? Aduh. Saya nyari. Aduh, nggak ada, Pak.
Daniels, clear out the rest of the tower.
Oke. Nge-clear lagi, Pak. Feel the sun. Oke.
Grenades and smokes when you need them.
Oke, nanti aja. Oke, nice. Kita clearkan dulu aja, nanti kita cari itemnya belakang. Oke, nice.
That's everyone!
Rally to Pearson, object update. Oke, sebentar, Pak. Kita suruh ke Pearson, tapi ntar saya mau ada item kah? Oke, ada satu. Ini nggak ada, Pak. Langsung aja ke bawah. Saya mau ambil, tadi ada sniper, Pak. Di mana ya? Di sini. Mana ya? Tadi ada sniper perasaan. Nggak ada, Pak. Oh, ini loh, Pak. Ini mau saya ganti. Oh, ini ya. Ini mau saya ganti. Aduh. Woi, snipernya mana? Wah, pelanggaran, Pak. Nggak bisa, Pak. Nice. Di sini ada apa? Oh, ini ada, Pak. Ada, Pak. Mementos. Saya sebenarnya pengen ngambil sniper ini sih, tapi jatuh di sini loh. Nggak bisa, Pak. Ya udahlah, langsung aja. Ayo. Gas, Pak. Langsung ya. Oke. Pak.
Those planes are gonna take out the bridge. We need to capture those AA guns. Daniels, Howard, on me. Move now.
Okay.
Drop position. Focus suppression fire now. Into those trenches. Move.
Grenade!
We need to capture those AA guns.
Okay. Bentar, Pak. Aduh. Nggak kelihatan, Pak. Waduh, ini gimana, Pak?
Daniels, get to the AA gun.
Bedain musuh sama teman gimana, Pak? Oh iya. Mana, Pak? Kita ke jalan mana, Pak? Oh, lihat ini. Oke. Waduh. Kelewatan, Pak.
Into those trenches. Move.
Kayaknya enak pakai ini kalau
those AA guns.
Oke.
Daniels, get to the AA gun.
Bentar, Pak. Saya ini nggak tahu Pak. Bentar kita ke situ, oke.
Daniel, hand that AA gun.
Kita ngapain ini? F. Oke. Oh, tembakin pesawat. Left.
Got him. Two o'clock. Direct hit.
Oke.
You've got this, Daniels.
Oh iya, terus.
Turn left.
Aduh, susah Pak.
They've sighted you, Daniels. He's going down.
Oke, nice. Mana Pak?
12 o'clock.
Left. Aduh.
Hey.
Mana Pak?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good one.
Nice.
All right. Our fly boys are here.
Sudah Pak. Nggak bisa nembak lagi Pak.
They're gonna hit us with everything we've got.
Not done yet! You just on me!
Oke, sebentar.
Daniel, you can help the artillery clear away.
Oh, bahaya ini Pak.
The black is in front of! Move!
Oh. Deep. Bengong Pak. Loh. Oke, nice. No fear.
Enemy spotted. They're coming out.
Oke.
Everyone stand down!
Tembak aja.
Stand down!
They're surrendering.
Nah, iya.
It's over. It's over.
Surrender Pak mereka Pak. The zusman
Bridge
mana
is
Pak?
ours. Corporal Howard,
Katanya dapatkan zusman.
I believe I owe you an apology. You owe me a hell of a lot more than that. Come on through. Just made history, fellas. First across the Rhine.
Oh, zusman mana Pak?
Fritz.
There are reports of POW camps in the area. Davis has ordered us to wait for authorization before conducting a sweep. But I guess you know what to do with Davis's orders.
Okay.
Copy that, Sergeant.
All right.
Terus kita ngapain Pak?
Proud our platoon held the first bridgehead on the Rhine.
First bridge.
Now our convoy's rolling into the heart of Germany. They say war's as good as won. Not to me. Not while Zuss is out there.
Oke. So? Loh terus Zusman gimana Pak nasibnya Pak? Loh ini Loh sudah selesai apa gimana ini? Tuh, perasaan nggak tadi saya lihat berikutnya udah nggak ada epilog. April.
After leaving the bridge on our mission east,
okay,
we searched camps along the way. I thought I knew what cruelty was. I didn't know anything.
Okay.
But one thing's for certain. What I saw will stay with me forever. Survivors said that the other POWs, including Zusman, had been taken to a smaller camp 3 hours east.
The smaller camp.
All I could do was hope he somehow made it.
Dibawa ke small camp. Loh, berarti gak ketemu Pak Zusman, Pak. Oh, sebentar.
Last one.
Berarti gak ketemu Zusman, Pak.
Looks more like a labor
Kita
camp.
cari Zusman terus ini, Pak. Gak bisa ini.
Come on.
I get the feeling it's deserted.
Cek fan Zusman, oke. Apa ini, Pak?
It's still burning. They must have just left.
There's the barracks over there.
Oke. Berarti ini katanya baru masih terbakar, berarti masih ada di sekitar sini. Gimana kalau kita masuk? Nggak bisa, Pak.
I wanted to hide whatever happened here.
Kita nggak bisa pencet lari, Pak. Ini gerakinya juga. Kenapa, Pak? Aduh.
These were our guys.
Take out your camera. The world's gotta know.
Oke. Foto, Pak, foto. Disuruh foto, disuruh moto, Pak, biar dunia itu tahu kekejaman perang. Aduh.
They had them living worse than animals. From the looks of it, they were beaten, starved, and worked to the bone.
Lebih buruk dari binatang katanya. Terus Zusman di mana, Pak? Ini kita nyari Zusman lama ini, Pak. Nggak ketemu. Kalau dari ceritanya loh.
Over here.
Ya, Pak. Oh, ini siapa, Pak?
The Nazis had murdered our boys in cold blood, and no fire in hell could burn away the stain.
I'm guessing they made an example out of them.
Dibunuh kayak gini, Pak. Ditali terus ditembak ini kayaknya. Di tempat buat gantung.
They'd slaughtered the weakest, anyone that was slowing them down.
Daniels, over here.
Gimana, Pak?
Daniels, you gotta see this. The tracks lead to the fields. That's where they must have marched on.
Then that's where we're going.
I wouldn't get your hopes up, Corporal.
I made a promise to Zusman.
We'll find him. I just can't guarantee we'll find him alive.
Oke. Katanya
Sergeant, I'll take
prisoner
point.
ada tanda-tanda katanya.
Zusman!
Red, take the shot!
Everything's coming full circle. All I've done, all I wish I'd done. It's like my whole life is leading to this moment.
We need to head home, baby brother.
Paul! Oke. Oh, ini kakaknya. Ya ini saya nggak tahu
He
ini kakak.
died right there in the snow. All because I couldn't.
Oh.
Damn it. I'm coming, Zusman. You're not gonna die, brother. Not now. Not today.
Kakaknya itu meninggal berarti. Tak kemana, Pak? Ini nggak ada itu. Nggak ada ini Pak, nggak ada petunjuknya. Ada suara tembakan. Oke. Aduh, gimana sih kamu ini? Nah, 12. Oke. Oi.
Red, take the shot!
Kurang ajar. Ditembakin, Pak.
Is it over? You must be dreaming.
What'd they do?
Thought we were left behind.
Sampai matanya jadi gitu, Pak.
Drink some. Easy now.
Okay, come on, let's get on in. Into the Jeep, come on. Gentle.
You always looked out for me, Paul. And I reckon you did today. Because there's only one thing that keeps you going on that long march. And that's having your brothers beside you.
Okay.
When history called, you answered. From all walks of life, you
Selamat
came
enggak
to
tapi dia?
defend peace and freedom.
Kayak sakit gitu
I
loh,
thank
Pak.
you, and the world thanks you. Wherever your path takes you, know this. You will always be amongst a brotherhood of heroes.
Well, this is it, fellas. Zussman wanted you to have it. Yeah, you'll need it more than me. You got a kiddo now.
Tapi
Thanks for the vote of
katanya
confidence. Yeah, you'll be
itu
fine.
kalung yang waktu taruhan sama Zusman itu
Gentlemen.
mau dikembalikan katanya.
Queens, your prodigal son returns.
Loh, tapi Zusman
You gonna be okay?
Gotta say bye to Zussman.
Zusman gimana, Pak?
Going home, Sergeant?
I am home. What about you? You gonna re-up?
I've been away from Texas for a long time.
You take care, farm boy.
I will. When my son asks what I did, I'll tell him I fought with the first. And that crazy bastard Pearson.
Crazy ain't the half of it.
Oke. Yang jadi pertanyaan
in
saya.
Chicago.
Oh, dia masih hidup, yes.
Oh, yeah, maybe I'll surprise you in Longview first.
You're welcome anytime.
You know, when they captured us, it wasn't just our freedom that they took. Even though we were together, and we were alone, looking for any way to survive.
Okay.
With you could have gone home a hero. Why'd you come back?
I saw that life. Just couldn't live it.
Saya speechless, Pak.
To the
Sama
end.
pertemanan sejati ini nih. Gila, Pak.
To the end.
Oke. Ternyata Zusman-nya selamat ya, Pak ya. Saya takutnya endingnya tuh dia meninggal gitu loh. Saya dua minggu.
The dream was different last night.
Oke.
This time we made it home. Together.
Jadi tadi itu dia
I can
ngimpi
still hear
berarti.
the wolves, Paul. Sometimes I still
Kalau
see them coming.
kakaknya
But you showed me how to
hidup,
fight them.
ngajak nembak itu.
So
sudah
this
meninggal.
belongs to you. Because the sacrifice you made taught me that a hero will risk it all to save his brother.
Oke.
And you'll always be both to me.
Paul Thomas Davis kakaknya. Oh. Oke. Endingnya gini, Pak. Oke. Saya kira endingnya bakal kayak gimana gitu. Ternyata endingnya gitu loh. Berarti waktu yang tadi saya pagi live itu jam 4 itu ternyata dia tuh ngimpi Pak. Berarti kayak apa ya, bayangan dia Pak, halusinasi gitu. Ternyata kakaknya itu sudah meninggal Pak. Jadi dia terbayang-bayang gitu, nggak mau zusman kayak kakaknya itu meninggal gitu, makanya dia ini keren Pak, ini ceritanya Pak, bagus nice lah. Oke, saya rasa untuk Call of Duty WW2 Pak ternyata sudah selesai sampai di sini ya Pak ya. Aduh. Jadi buat teman-teman yang nonton mulai dari awal sampai akhir, makasih supportnya. Ya kayak gitu ceritanya Pak. Masa saya harus ngeresum mulai awal Pak? Nanti teman-teman bisa lihat, nanti saya waktu di akhir ini nanti video saya kasih kok link playlistnya. Cuman saya masih penasaran ini, kadang ini oh kan di enter nggak bisa kan, space to skip. Kita space saja coba ya. Oke, Rhine. After action report, ever since I could travel, I wanted to be like you, Paul. Oke, dia ingin menjadi seperti kakaknya. Jadi motivasi terbesar dia tuh pengen jadi kayak kakaknya. You show me it's about fighting for body. Oh ya, dia menunjukkan cara apa? Berperang untuk teman next to you. And if you lucky, surviving with your soul intact. Saya nggak tahu itu maksudnya apa. Oke. Momentosnya ada 3 ya. Performanya 2. Saya cuma nemu 1 tok Pak. Susah Pak. Oke, enter. Oh iya. Ya, fix. Itu Rhine ini endingnya Pak. Oke sob, ternyata cuman sampai di sini Call of Duty WW2 nya. Besok kita lanjut lagi untuk game selanjutnya. Saya masih cari-cari game apa yang cocok untuk dimainkan. Jadi mungkin teman-teman kalau ada ide bisa ditulis di komen ya. Soalnya saya kemarin sih sempat download apa GTA 5 cuman korup Pak. Mau beli mahal ya Pak, nggak punya uang. Malah curhat. Oke sob, makasih yang udah nonton. Mas Tio juga makasih udah nonton. Buat teman-teman yang lain yang nonton offline-nya juga makasih. Oke, jangan lupa like, jangan lupa subs, jangan lupa share ke teman-teman kalian. Dan akhir kata, happy gaming and see you sob.